IELTS is an internationally recognized English language proficiency test. This test tests your four main English skills: listening, reading, writing, speaking. IELTS is a...
How many types of IELTS?
There are two main types of IELTS. Academic. This is for those who want to go to an English-speaking country for higher education, undergraduate, postgraduate, etc. General training. This is required for those who want to work or immigrate to an English-speaking country.
The Zero to IELTS Roadmap.
The Zero to IELTS Roadmap? If you have a weak English foundation or are just starting out, follow these steps. Step 1. Determine your current level. First, you need to know what level you are currently at in English. Take a mock test. Download any full IELTS exam paper and take a mock test over time. This will help you identify your strengths and weaknesses. Identify your weaknesses. See which module you scored the lowest in: grammar, vocabulary, or speaking. Step 2. Strengthen your core English foundation. Before you start learning IELTS strategies, you need to get the basics of the language right. Basic grammar. Learn important topics like tenses, subject-verb agreement, prepositions, and complex sentence structure. There is no substitute for correct sentence structure to get a good band in IELTS. Vocabulary. Make it a habit to learn new words every day. Don't just learn difficult words. Memorize common and practical words that can be used in academic contexts, e.g. environment, education, technology, health. Regular practice. Build listening and comprehension habits by watching Learning English, TED Talks, or English movies.